So you guys are going to be making a soundboard. That is your project, to create a soundboard. A soundboard is just really kind of an app that allows a user to click on a certain object and play something. Yes, it is. Yes, it is, Yoda. You like it, Yoda? I think Yoda likes it. Let's go see what other ones they have. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! 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 Whoa, that sounded horrible. That poor Jawa. Yeah! Hey, look at this Jawa. He says all these things and then he says, hey. Woo dee dee! Sounds like me when I wake up in the morning. So it doesn't just have to be voices. It can be sound effects. Like here's all sorts of cool laser sounds. Cool. There's an AT-AT. You've even got these snow speeders. Oh no! Ah! Whoa! Oh no! Ah! Ooh! 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 Those are half of my sounds. So here's an example soundboard that I made in Scratch. It's got all sorts of cool spooky music. It's got screeches. Door creaks. It even has this stop sound button I put in there, so if I start playing music, I can stop it. It's got crazy little wizards. I'm a wizard. It's got all these guys. It's even got little Easter eggs in it. So when I click her, she's also got a little bit of a forever turn 15 degrees. And those guys start, they have a forever move 10 steps, and then if on edge bounce. And then this guy has all those, but a forever next costume. And I have a couple costumes loaded in, so it makes it look like he's actually flying. Now you guys can make your soundboards about anything you want. You could have it be about Minecraft and ask some teachers to help you get some sounds. You could have it, you could record your own sound effects and have it be like funny sounds you make, or it could be all about stuff that you have to say to your brothers and sisters and moms and dads and whoever's. You could have it be about your favorite movie or video game. It could be anything you want can be a soundboard. So have fun, make up something amazing, share it, show all the teachers, and ask for help, you guys. Good luck on your soundboards.